Hello everyone, and welcome back to Bit9. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the lagging and slow performance issues on Windows 11. Stick with me, and you'll see a significant boost in your system's performance. Let's dive right in. First, right-click on the Windows icon in your taskbar. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once in Settings, look for Privacy and Security in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and you'll see two sections: Windows Permissions and App Permissions. Now it's time to streamline these settings. Disable all unnecessary permissions, as they can contribute to lagging and slow performance. Start with General under Windows Permissions, and turn off all four options. Then go back and click on Speech, disabling that option as well. Repeat this process for inking and typing personalization, diagnostic and feedback, and activity history. Next, click on Search Permissions. Set Safe Search to Moderate. Don't turn it off, as it's important for your security. You can disable the options under Cloud Content Search and the History option as well. Now let's move on to the app permissions. If you're not using features like location services, camera, or microphone on your Windows 11 PC, disable those options. You can also turn off voice activation, notifications, and account info. If you're not using the default email client or features like phone calls and task messaging, feel free to disable those too. Next, click on Personalization from the left menu. Scroll down to Colors. Here, you'll find an option for transparency effects. This feature can slow down your system, so turn it off to improve performance. Close the settings window. Now, let's optimize your system settings. In the Windows search bar, type ciasdm.cpl and hit Enter. This will bring up the System Properties window. Click on the Advanced tab, then under Performance, click on Settings. Here, you can choose to adjust for best performance. Select this option and make sure to enable smooth edges of screen fonts. Click Apply, then OK to save your changes. Next, we'll disable unnecessary startup applications. Right-click the Windows icon again and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Here, identify any third-party applications you don't need to launch at startup like Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, Proton VPN, Steam, Discord, or Skype. Right-click on each one and select Disable. Finally, let's tidy up your applications. In the Windows search bar, type appwiz.cpl and hit Enter. This will show you a list of installed applications. Look for any software you don't need, particularly Microsoft OneDrive. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Do the same for any other apps you don't use. Keeping your system clean can help enhance performance. Once you've completed all these steps, restart your computer. You should notice a significant improvement in your system's performance and a reduction in lagging. That's all for today, folks. I hope these tips help you get your Windows 11 running smoothly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.